Welcome to In the Kitchen with Bite Me More. It is crunch time. I want to crunch her. Because we are looking into what is so amazing about these air fryers. We're going to dig in and see what all the big hype is about. What are we doing today in the air fryer?
Well, we're gonna do Brussels sprouts because when we bake them in the air fryer, they come out crispy, crunchy, as if they've been deep fried.
Impossible.
Okay, so we have trimmed and have 1 pound of Brussels sprouts. We're gonna put them in the bowl here.
And you know what I've heard about the air fryer is that it's so much healthier than deep frying. It cuts calories by 70 to 80%.
We're using a tablespoon of olive oil, and then we have half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. So just mix that up.
She's trusting me to mix it. How do you like that?
I'm very trusting.
You know what else I'm thinking about, Lee? Is I'm liking that I won't scald myself on boiling oil.
Yes.
Because you know I can be a little bit in the kitchen.
We have preheated the air fryer to 400 degrees, and you only need to preheat it for 5 minutes. It's so fast.
So far, this is living up to its reputation, much like myself.
The air fryer is preheated, so I'm gonna put in the Brussels sprouts.
Bring it over to you.
And
Ooh, do you hear the sizzle?
you can hear the sizzle as you put them in. So you're gonna wanna lay them in a nice even layer. So place it back in.
In you go.
It's gonna cook for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, you're gonna open it, give it a little shake, 6 more minutes, and we're done.
So while the Brussels sprouts are being fried, I'm gonna demonstrate trimming sprouts while Lisa makes the ranch dipping sauce for our fried sprouts.
So we have half a cup of mayonnaise and half a cup of sour cream.
And you can use light versions here as well.
100%.
Yeah, because we're keeping it lean, baby.
You're exactly right. We have 1 garlic clove minced and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice that are getting added to this.
Delicious.
And finally, we have some fresh herbs. We have chopped fresh parsley, basil, and chives in my mixture here. So we're gonna add that, and we've added a pinch of salt and pepper. We're gonna whisk that up, and your dip is done. How are you doing with that?
All you've got to do is cut off a little bit of the bottom, pull off any leaves that seem to be hanging, and you're good to go. Crispy sprouts in no time at all. Show the other side, it's like golden gorgeous.
Isn't it gorgeous?
With a ranch dip, I'm convinced. Fish, vegetables, lean proteins, nuts, chickpeas.
potato chips.
What can't this do? This is my new best friend, I'm convinced.